I have 1 month left, just 1 month, and that's it. This chapter is over. College is over now. I don't know how to feel about that. Genuinely, don't know. A part of me is excited, a part of me is nervous, a part of me is terrified, and a part of me is just don't want to accept it. So I thought before I leave, let me just sit down and talk about these 4 years, about everything that happened, about who I was when I walked into, and who I am walking out as. This is not a highlight reel. It is the embarrassment, it contain the achievements, and it contain also those part जो मुझे अभी तक भी समझ नहीं आए हैं. Let's go back and see where it all started. I got 90 percentile in JE, which sounds like a good number, and it is. But when you are in 18 and everyone around you is comparing score and talking about college in 90 percentile, start to feel like not enough. You know that feeling when something make you happy, sometime make you inadequate. Anyway, I got this college as KIT Jaipur. And I remember the first week. I was in PG in the small room in a city I don't know at all. And I keep walking for it to feel exciting. Like in the movies, new city, new life, new beginning. But it just felt quite lonely in a very specific way. The kind where there are people around you, but none of them know you yet. Except one person. This guy. We have been friends from 12 years since school, and somehow out of the entire country, he also ended up in the same PG, same room, same floor, and I can tell how much that matter. On the night when homesickness on its peak, let's not romanticize it. Having him really helps me a lot. First semester ended and I got a bag. Yes, welcome to engineering. Second year we shifted to flat, and there are hell lot of things when you shift to a flat. There is no restriction, no in time, and not that schedule of 11 p.m. lights will turn off. Now it's freedom. You can go where you want to go, and I use this freedom wisely. I bunked lectures, I sat in the back of the class, I did attend and fall asleep. My attendance dipped too low that a professor once just point at me and say, leave. Not in a dramatic way, in a very clean, disappointed way, which somehow more bad. I got divided from the midterms. Once, then again, and then again, first time, second time, third time, and fourth time, and so on. And the bags are coming in first sem, second sem, third sem, fourth sem. But in second year, it hit some different. I still think why I did that. One night before exam, I packed my bags and left for Vaishno Devi. I don't know why I leave that exam and go for Vaishno Devi for no reason. The secret part is that without telling my parents, I am leaving this exam. I know, but I will tell you this that trip, the climb, the cold air at 3 a.m., the feeling at the top, where are things you experience that you can't justify on paper. That was one of them. I was not irresponsible. I am 19-year-old and still figuring out कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं किस चीज़ में मज़ा आ रहा है. At some point in second year I picked up a camera. I am a computer science student and तुमको ये बात थोड़ी सी अलग लगेगी. मैं ना सिंगल लाइन कोड भी नहीं कर सकता. आई एम वेरी बैड एट कोडिंग. है ना, अजीब लग रहा है ना सुन के थोड़ा सा, पर भाई सच्ची यही है. मैंने ऐसा नहीं है कि ट्राई नहीं किया. आई ट्राइड ए हेल लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स. सेम ही लूप में बार बार वही स्टार्टिंग से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, बट ठीक है, क्लिक नहीं किया, सो इवेंचुअली आई लीव इट एंड देन I start making videos, short films by myself. I was the actor, the director, and the guy who is holding the camera on a tripod while running to get into the frame in time. I learned to edit slowly, badly at first, then a little less badly. I entered a videography contest.
Very well done, Abhishek.
That was the first time in 4 years. I felt like I am at the right place, I guess. Can I tell you about the trips? Because the trips are a whole thing. Manali with Ajay, Rishikesh and Mussoorie with Avdesh. Udaipur completely last minute. Someone suggested it on Tuesday and we were on train by Thursday. Kota to Ajay's house. And there is something about visiting a friend's hometown that is different. You see a version of them you have never seen. You understand where they came from. And then the Nahargarh trek. In the rain with a group of people I genuinely love. We were soaked. The trail was slippery and kind of dangerous. And we were laughing at the entire time, at nothing, at everything, at ourselves. I also somehow visited almost every historical place in Jaipur. Amer Fort, Hawa Mahal, Nahargarh. I live here and I done the tourist circuit more times than the most actual tourists. The city grew on me in a way I did not expect. We danced at college fests, we had night outs in the flat where nothing productive happened but the conversation were genuinely the best I had ever. We cooked badly at first, then surprisingly well. I don't know how over the time we are cooking nice, just nice. These are not the things I had listed at the end of college. But after this college, I will remember that. I am a CS student who can't code. I know it is a problem. I try a lot of time to fix this. Oh, and also I joined gym with a great intention, but that intention goes in just 3 weeks. I walk around campus now and I notice things I never noticed before. The specific light in the evening near the main gate, the way the canteen sounds at 1 p.m., the stairs I had walked past 100 times that I suddenly want to sit on for an hour and just stay. When I came to college, I think that कि कॉलेज मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें सिखाएगा, टेक्निकल नॉन टेक्निकल अबाउट लाइफ, बट ये सब मैंने एक्सपेक्ट ही किया था. चीज़ें मेरे को काफ़ी सारी सिखाई बट जो मैंने एक्सपेक्ट किया था एग्जैक्टली वो नहीं. The camera taught me more than the curriculum. The flat taught me more than the hostel would have. The trips taught me more than any lecture, and the friends taught me things I don't even have words for yet. 1 month. I don't know what come after this. I really don't. But I know that I am leaving this place. And if you are in your first year right now, watch this feeling like you don't fit yet. You will. Just not in the way you planned, which honestly is probably better.